Your finance team creates and maintains the financial structure of your business. But change requests can come from users that aren't familiar with the needs of the finance department. Automating this process and bringing it closer to the financial system results in the efficient use of resources, reduces errors, and improves control by connecting the request to the actual change. The Fluid Financial Structure Request feature focuses on optimizing, automating, and controlling the lifecycle management of your chart of accounts and tree maintenance, from self-service requests to request execution. There are two components in this feature: a front-end user interface through self-service, and a configurable component that defines and controls the front-end user interface. In this demonstration, we'll access Fluid Financial Structure requests using a desktop system. On the self-service homepage, business users in your organization can request changes through the Financial Structure Request tile. This opens the Financial Structure Request page, where your users can add, update, or copy requests. To see the details of a request, just click a row. Business users with limited knowledge of your chart of accounts only need to populate the general information and attach any supporting documents that you need. The Discussion and Attachments button enables your users to attach any supporting documents. The discussion service routes attachments to the appropriate reviewers. Users can also add more requests in the Request Lines section. Now, let's look at some of the options available for reviewers. The Discussion tile enables reviewers to review and reply to posted messages. The Structure Request Detail tile enables reviewers to change chart field attributes. Some requests may have several request lines, such as a request to add a new account, then add the account to an account tree, and add a new department. These requests can require several different reviewers. A reviewer can access a request when granted the proper authority. On the Structure Request Detail page, reviewers can see or modify a chart field or tree request, but can't add a new request. Each chart field contains its own attributes and definitions, depending on your configuration. In our example, the Account chart field requires users to provide information related to the request, such as core and tree information, business justification, and questions. The system renders the checklist and its content after the request is completed. From the Request Assignment page, reviewers can use the View Approval Workflow link to see the approval chain page. Your reviewers can approve financial structure requests from their desktop or mobile device. Note, you shouldn't submit requests into AWE until the reviewers or all of the participants in a request have reviewed the request. After completing the request for our account example, select the Account Number link to go to the Account Chart Field Definition page. From the Chart Field Definition page, you can go back to the Request Assignment page using the Link to Request hyperlink. The system only shows the messages and attachments that pertain to a particular request. The discussion shown here is separate from the discussion posting in the Financial Structure Request, which represents the communication for the overall master request. Here, you can see the communication between the requester, business reviewers, and approvers from functional area managers and the finance department. To go back to the request on the Discussion Center, click on Related Actions and select Link to Request. Now, let's go back to the Employee Self-Service homepage. We'll use the Structure Request Detail tile to review a request. Here, you can see the list of requests. During a review, your users can run an impact analysis to evaluate the setup data that the request can affect. The impact analysis examines setup areas that define chart field values, like allocation rules, year-end rules, combination editing definition, and accounting definitions like accounting tag, speed chart, or speed type, as well as subsystems accounting templates. Now we'll log in as an administrator so that we can configure the content used by structure requests. Here, you can see a list of request templates. Click a template to see details for that template. You can use the Copy button to copy a template from one set ID to another. All the configurable chart field attributes are included in the template. Each template is associated with a business reviewer role in order to route the request to the appropriate functional area managers, as well as notifying the discussion service. The PeopleSoft Fluid Financial Structure Request feature helps you to manage the entire lifecycle of your chart of accounts and tree maintenance in an optimized, automated, and controlled manner, from self-service requests to request execution. For more information, go to PeopleSoftInfo.com.